Hello and welcome to HooptieDoodle's Goldwing Bobber Build series. Today we're working on making an air filter related to a backbone conversion, which we covered in a previous video, video number 37 of this build. And so check out that video if you're interested in doing a backbone conversion, which if you're watching this video, you likely are. So if you're doing one of these conversions here where you cut the stock Goldwing frame and convert it to a single backbone like this guy, this video is for you, because what you're going to end up with is a need for a new air filter, because the stock air filter will no longer fit on this modified frame. So today I'll show you how I made this guy right here to fit within the new frame parameters. Alright, it's very exciting because we've got some new stuff. Things we've been waiting for. Battery. We got a nice battery here for the bike that hopefully will fit underneath the swing arm there. We've got some spray adhesive for our seat foam, and we've got our air filter. So this is our little VW style air filter. It's supposed to go on a VW Weber carburetor, which is an aftermarket carburetor for an old VW, air-cooled VW. So I've got this, and it should fit in here, but I may have to modify this bottom plate. Let's check it out. Alright, so it does fit in there. It only fits in that way. I can't fit it in this way, it's too wide. So that way it is, and now I gotta figure out how to adapt the bottom plate on there. Alright, believe it or not, what I think I want to do is flip it upside down. I'll cut a hole in the top that matches the carburetor intake, and then I'll be able to utilize the bottom portion here to run my breather from my crankcase. Then I have to weld a plate on top of the air cleaner here and close that up and cut a hole in the bottom part, and we're good to go. I got me some 16 gauge steel sheet here. We're going to see if we can use this for the top. Weld it onto the top of here, which this is some really thin material. Let's see what that actually is. Wow, that's like 24 gauge. That's very thin. So I've got my filter set up here. I got it complete the way, at least for now, the way it's going to be. And so I've got this little brass fitting on here where I can connect that to my crankcase breather. That's threads inside. I'm using the bottom for the top, and I welded on a plate here to cover up the pattern that was for the Volkswagen. And then I had to drill a couple holes here that match up with the bolt locations on the top of the Goldwing carburetor. I also had to cut out the pattern for the Goldwing carburetor on the top of the filter, and then I'm flipping that over and using that for the bottom. And this all goes down in there like so. And then I've made a couple little grommets. I didn't have any little rubber grommets around that fit this, so I made some out of cork, and those go down in here. And then these are the stock bolts off of the stock air filter housing. They just barely fit on here. I may want to get slightly longer ones at some point, but these will work. There it is, all finished. I'm also using the little clips that come with the Volkswagen air filter to sandwich it together. Clip those on there, then install the filter, then bolt it down. then install your crankcase breather tube, and you're all set. Simple, real simple. So if you like this video, think about subscribing to the channel, and not only that, check out the rest of the build series because we're doing some great stuff here. This is a highly detailed build with all kinds of explanation on how to chop a Goldwing and turn it into something cool. Because we're all about cool here on HooptieDoodle. Look at me, cool man, cool.